Hello, future pre-specialty students. My name is Brooke Berger. I'm currently in the specialty year in the pediatric primary care track. And just a couple months ago, I finished up my pre-specialty year and am now officially an RN, just a little over a year from when I first started the program. And I first came to the School of Nursing from a previous graduate program in child studies, which was a developmental psychology program just across campus at Peabody. And I chose the pediatric primary care track because of my interest in and love for working with children. And I really felt like the nursing field was one in which I could really exercise my clinical skills, and that it was a really good match for my academic background. But that said, prior to coming to the nursing school and prior to my previous graduate school experience, I was a liberal arts student in my undergraduate years. And I know that that can be a little bit intimidating if you do come from a liberal arts background and you're looking to go into a science heavy field. But I do encourage students who have a real interest and passion for nursing, but have a liberal arts background to apply because I really do feel like some of those skills you get in a liberal arts education do really benefit you in the pre-specialty year and as a nurse. And just to add to that, all of the faculty and all of the clinical instructors are super invested in all student success. So they're really there to help students from all different backgrounds get through this program and be excellent nurses and excellent practitioners. When it comes to NCLEX studying, I did spend a lot of time studying for NCLEX once we finished up our capstone, but they tell you this at the beginning of orientation, and I really did find it to be true that the best practice and the best preparation for NCLEX is actually participating in all of your courses, doing the coursework, putting in your clinical hours. That really is what prepares you in the end best for taking the NCLEX. And you'll hear it time and time again. Trust the process. But I did find in my case that trusting the process really did help. I feel like the puzzle pieces really come together at the end in that capstone experience. And after that, you are ready to take the NCLEX. There are also different review options that you can take that I participated in that were really helpful as well. Advice for pre-specialty students, I think, is to really consider why you want to be a nurse and what sets that apart from other healthcare professions. I think this year, more than ever before, nurses are really getting the recognition that they deserve as both leaders in healthcare and as crucial team members in the healthcare environment. So I would really think about that and reflect on that before applying and thinking about how you fit into the future of healthcare as a nurse and a nurse practitioner, because we are going to fill really, really powerful and needed roles in the future if our experience with the COVID pandemic is any evidence of that. But anyway, best of luck. Everyone at the nursing school is there to answer questions and offer support, especially during this very difficult time. So thank you and good luck.